Hello students, I am here Mrs. Tanya and we are going with the practice paper 2 of English language. The first thing what you can go through here, as you all have many doubts related to the total English book, that means how we will do it, how the different chapters to be done. So not to worry about anything. You have to just go through each and every questions, and especially the grammar part what you have been disturbed, that is question number 5, that you have to read it, you have to write down the answers and you can show it to me, you can send the answers to me through PDF or any way you can send it, and if anything is wrong I will advise you what to be done. Okay, and if you have any doubt in any grammatical part, I will make the videos for that, that is related to tenses, related to synthesis, related to direct, indirect, whatever it is, we will make the video in between to upgrade you with the things. But here the practice paper, the things what you have to solve, that you have to do by yourself. Each practice paper I cannot make you all to solve, you have to solve it and you have to show it to me. Now just for some of your doubts, I have made it practice paper 2, I have taken it as an example. So when you are going through this video, please open your book, then only go through, otherwise it will be difficult for you to understand. Now in practice paper 2 you can see composition is there first, which we have discussed before only. 5 topics are there, you have to do any one. Second is letter writing, there are also 2 topics, one formal letter, one informal, you have to choose any one and do it. Next is notice and email. In notice and email, what is there? Notice is there of 5 marks and email there of 5 marks. You have to do both, no choice there. Notice, email, letter, all I have made the videos and I have sent you, you can go through it. Next is unseen passage, comprehension, that also I have explained to you. First you have to go on with the questions, words, grid pattern and all, and then you have to read the passage, then you have to write the answers according what is given in the passage, not in your own words like that. Even it is given right in your own words, but you have to write own words, means you have to choose the keywords from the passage and you have to write it down. Next is grammar part. Now grammar part is you have to go through, that is the things in question 5. 4 question set comes, A, B, C and D. A is to fill the passage with the correct form of word. One passage will be given with 8 words, you have to fill it. B is preposition, appropriate word, correct preposition. Now C is what? You have to join the sentences, you have to join the 4 sentences are there, you have to join it without using and, but or so, not using and, not using but, not using so, without using, because these are the common conjunctions what you use, but here you don't have to use these conjunctions, you have to use other conjunctions like because, although, even though, when and all these things you have to use. Next is transformation, that is D part, where you have to rewrite the sentences. 8 sentences are given. In the bracket it is also given whether you have to begin that sentence with this, end up with this, use it, different things are given. You have to follow that instruction and you have to write the answer properly. Here in this last one, D part, all set of grammar comes, like direct, indirect also comes, active, passive comes, then this from declarative sentence to integrative, all kind of sentences, synthesis, everything comes here. So this is 8 questions of different kind. Okay, you have to go through it. Now let us move on again with the correct form of verb. A1, it is, now see the passage is given. Now read the passage. Here you will see the Egyptians were the first to build. Now 0 answer is given, to build. Now next one I will move on with the answers telling. Just listen to me, you can fill up. The dam among ancient civilization. This was simple enough, made of rocks and gravel, which resisted the force of water. However, their dam was not very effective as water eventually managed to trickle through the rocks. The Mesopotamians, on the other hand, built their dam of soil and clay, built T. The Romans built the first concrete dam in 100 BCE, but in the 17th century, the Spanish perfected the art of building dams. They traveled around the world, taking their building methods with them and sharing their knowledge with the rest of the world. I hope you have gone through the answers. You can pause it, you can again listen. Now B1 is appropriate word, that is prepositions what you have to go through. Now see, 8 words are given of 4 marks, half of marks each. First, he does not want to part with his money. It is difficult to come across that rare book. His kidnapper is still at large. This building is so old that it will fall down at any time. She has got out all her difficulties. How did such a crisis come through? Our team put up a good fight in the debate. We should not deviate from our objective. Now these are the answers of this appropriate word. You have to use the preposition, the appropriate word. Don't use any word. You have to use only prepositions here. Appropriate word, children think that anything we can write, but no. Here you have to only use prepositions. Now third one, see. The third one, the C part, that is joining the words without using and, but, or, so. Now here the first sentence is, he may go anywhere, I will find him. Now one sentence is he may go anywhere. The second part is I will find. You have to join it. So what you can write, I will find him wherever he goes. Second is, here is the lady, her daughter is a tennis player. Now first sentence is, here is the lady. The second is, her daughter is a tennis player. So you have to write, here is the lady whose daughter is a tennis player. So this way you have to remove the full stop and you have to join these two sentences. Third is, the thief escaped, it was dark. Now how you have to write? The thief escaped because it was dark. Because you cannot use and, but, or, so. The thief escaped because it was dark. She came to school, she had high fever today. Now here you have to join, although she had high fever today, comma, she came to school. Now remember children, when you are using although, even though and though, you have to use in the beginning of the sentence, but after that one sentence which is with the although, you have to use comma and then you have to use the other sentence. Usually children write, although she had high fever, still she came to school. Now still or yet or but you don't have to use with although. You have to remember, with although, though and even though, it is interchangeable. You don't have to use any but or still. You have to just put comma after that sentence completed and write the second sentence. Okay. Now D1 is, rewrite the following sentences according to the instruction given. First one example is given. Now the first one, I think you should come back tomorrow. You have to begin with you had. So how you have to write? You had to come back tomorrow. Second, he seemed to be warming up. You have to begin with it. It seems that he is warming up. Third, the musician performed admirably on the stage. You have to begin the musicians. The musicians admirably performed on the stage. Fourth, crossing the railway lines to get to the station is dangerous. Now you have to begin with it. It is dangerous to cross the railway lines to get to the station. Fifth is, we all stood up as soon as the chief guest arrived. Now see children, here as soon one, you have to write the sentence with no sooner. Now no sooner we can use had also, we can use did also, we can use does also. Now it is up to the sentence. Then we all stood up as soon as the chief guest arrived. You have to write, no sooner did the chief guest arrive. Now with did, you have to use present tense. Always remember, when you are using did anywhere in any kind of sentences, you are using did. After that, the verb which will come, that will be in present tense. Never use that past tense. Like usually children use, I did not went, I did not ate. That is wrong. You have to write, I did not go, I did not eat, I did not dance, I did not sit. Like that you have to use present tense. So here, no sooner did the chief guest arrive, comma, than all stood up. Than, it will be than all stood up. With no sooner, after the comma we use than. Or you can also write like this, no sooner had the chief guest arrived, then it will be had, so arrived will be there, than all stood up. Whichever way you feel easy, you can do it. Next is sixth sentence, because Satish's leg was fractured, the doctor forbade him to go out. Okay, you have to begin the sentence with having fractured. So how you will write, having fractured his leg, comma, Satish was forbidden by the doctor to go out. Okay, having fractured his leg, Satish was forbidden by the doctor to go out. 7th, have dinner with me on Sunday, she said to us. You have to use here invited. So she invited us for dinner on Sunday. She invited us for dinner on Sunday. Last one is, he said to have been in the Indian army. You have to begin with people. So how you write? People said him to be in the Indian army. People said him to be in the Indian army. So these are the 4 set of sentences of question 5. Sentences means set of questions which carry different sentences, and you have to go through it. Okay, same pattern you have to follow in all the practice papers. Now I hope it is clear to you all, you understood. Now each practice paper you do it, you show it to me. I will make the videos of different transformation, like grammar part I will make here. Any other doubts or any other thing, I will make the video. You can tell me also that miss this part we have difficulties, I will make the videos for you. But this practice paper, keep it that each day you will do one, and you can show it all together one day, or every day you can send, however you wish you can send it to me. And the questions, whenever there will be tests, the questions what will come, that will be from anywhere, because pattern will be same. It's not necessary same questions will be also there. So listen this video very well. Again, don't ask all vague doubts. Listen it and try to do the practice paper. Thank